Early use of recycled materials in construction.
Reuse in building dates back centuries. In ancient Rome, builders salvaged stone and bricks from old structures to create new buildings. These early practices laid the groundwork for modern recycling, demonstrating the benefits of conserving resources and reducing waste long before sustainability became a recognized goal.
Industrial Revolution and Demolition Salvage.
The 19th century saw rapid urban growth and demolition. Builders began reusing bricks, timber, and metal from demolished structures out of necessity and thrift. This era saw the emergence of salvage yards, where reusable materials like cast iron and wood found new life in emerging cities.
Reclaimed wood and architectural salvage.
By the late 20th century, reclaimed wood gained popularity. Sourced from barns, factories, and old buildings, this wood is valued for its durability and unique appearance. Architectural salvage shops made a variety of materials like doors and fixtures available, combining aesthetics with eco-friendly building choices.
Innovation in recycled concrete and steel.
Recent decades pioneered large-scale recycling of concrete and steel. Crushed concrete from demolished buildings is reused as aggregate in new construction. Recycled steel, which retains its strength indefinitely, became a key material in modern green architecture, supporting LEED certification and circular construction.
Upcycling and 3D printed homes.
21st century advances include upcycled plastics and 3D printed homes. Researchers and designers now transform plastic waste, glass, and even rubber tires into structural components. Large-scale 3D printing technology enables homes to be built from recycled materials, minimizing waste and opening new frontiers in sustainable architecture.
Looking ahead, closed-loop construction.
The future points to fully closed-loop systems. Circular economy principles aim for all building materials to be continuously reused or upcycled. With innovative recycling technologies and creative design, tomorrow's buildings could be nearly waste-free, setting new standards for sustainable construction worldwide.